Good evening everyone. My name is Vidyanand and I am from ECC section. My roll number is 20BQ1A04Z4. Today I am going to say some differences between AC and DC generators. Generators are the machines that converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. These are termed as generators. Basically we have two types of generators. They are AC generators and second one is DC generators. So let us see the difference between the AC and DC generators. So let us see the difference between the AC and DC generators. Coming to the differences. A machine that converts mechanical energy to electrical energy in the form of by using alternating current is termed as AC generator. Coming to DC generator, DC generator is a machine that converts mechanical energy to DC direct current is a DC generator. The principle behind the working of AC generator is electromagnetic induction. The principle behind the DC generator is electromotive force. Coming to AC generator, the output of the AC generator is an AC electric power, whereas the output of the DC generator is DC electric power. Coming to the AC generator, they have slip rings. Coming to DC generator, they have split ring commutators. The output generated by the AC generator can be induced either in the rotor or in the stator, but coming to the DC generator, the output must be induced in the rotor only. The electric current reverses its direction periodically in the AC generator, but whereas DC generator does not support this function. In DC generator, electric current flows in only single direction, that means in a unique direction. In AC generator, we does not have any commutators. AC generators generally doesn't support any commutators, but whereas DC generators we have commutators. These are very efficient. Means AC generators are very efficient in producing a certain design output, but whereas the DC generators provides low output when compared to AC generators, which tells us that DC generators are very low efficient. The energy losses in the AC generators are very low. Due to this reason, they are very efficient. Coming to DC generator, energy losses are very more when compared to the AC generators. Due to this reason, the DC generators are very low efficient. The final difference is their AC generators are useful to generate very high voltages, but whereas coming to DC generators, we fail to generate higher voltages when compared to AC generators. These are the main differences between the AC and DC generators. So we can conclude that both the AC and DC generators works on the same principle, but we find very large differences between the generators. So thank you.